Okay, so I've been a dental assistant for 12 years, and these are the only whitening trays that I will use or recommend to anybody. They are so good, and they're way better than like your typical Crest white strip. They stay in your mouth actually. So you get an upper and a lower, they're labeled. And then on the inside of this green tray, there is a clear, like that's the whitening tray on the inside, the clear one. So you put the green tray in your mouth. Try to like suck all your saliva down before you put these in. And you don't want to dry your teeth off with like toilet paper or anything. Just try to, you know, suck down the saliva. Make sure your teeth are clean. I always tell my patients, brush your teeth, floss your teeth before you whiten your teeth. I just feel like, I don't know, it just makes sense, doesn't it? So to put the tray in, you put it in. So say you're gonna put the upper in, you put it in with the green tray in, like your mouth. You'll put it in and you'll kind of like pucker your lips. And then you can swallow and like really just try to form some suction in there. And you can even, if you want, kind of push around on your cheeks to really get that to stick. And then you'll just pull the green tray out of your mouth and the whitening strip will stay on your teeth. You'll obviously do the same thing with the lower. Keep these on for like, I say start small and then work your way up, but you can keep them on for up to an hour. But I would start, especially if you've never whitened your teeth before, start with like 10-15 minutes, see how you do. And if you have more sensitive teeth, definitely use a Sensodyne toothpaste while you're whitening and continue using Sensodyne. Sensodyne takes about a week to 2 weeks for it to fully like actually work. So if you want to whiten your teeth, maybe start using Sensodyne before you start to whiten and then work your way into this. And then when you take them off, I say grab a tissue, grab toilet paper, paper towel, something, and you're gonna take your fingers and you're gonna go like this with that wipe, and you're gonna wipe the rest of the gel off with the paper towel, taking the tray out at the same time. Then that toothbrush that you just used before you put your trays in, get it a little wet and just brush the rest of that whitening gel right off of your teeth. Obviously spit it out. And continue doing that. If you're sensitive, I wouldn't do it daily. Maybe do every other day or every 2 days until you notice less sensitivity. And if you are really sensitive, cut the time down maybe a little bit the next time you do it until your teeth are used to it. And also if you've never whitened your teeth before, I have 15% in these. There's also a 10%. Start with the 10% if you've never whitened. Try it that way first and then work your way up. Yeah, I don't know. I really like them. They're mint flavored and I think they work the best out of all of the whitening products that I've ever used. Both of the offices, now I've been an assistant for 12 years. I've only worked at 2 offices, but both of the offices sold this product, and I mean, I've witnessed the results and I've done it myself. They work fantastically. So no complaints, good taste. They work, they stay on your teeth. Way better than a Crest white strip.